Hello student and welcome to today's lesson. Letter V. The letter V says V. Look at the van. Van. Look at the vase. Vase. Look at the vegetables. Vegetables. STEAM activities. S. Tell the uses of an umbrella and vase. T. Listen to the letters U and V by watching a video. E. Use paper to make an umbrella. A. Distribute the worksheets to the students with the sketch of an umbrella and ask them to decorate the umbrella with their favorite colors and stars. M. Count objects beginning with the sound U and V around you. Review. Write the first letter of each picture. Look at the rose. Write the first letter, R. Look at the van. Write the first letter, V. Look at the queen. Write the first letter, Q. Look at the rabbit. Write the first letter, R. Look at the sun. Write the first letter, S. Look at the umbrella. Write the first letter, U. Tick the pictures that begin with letter T. Look at the tiger. Starts with T. Tick it. Look at the vegetables. Starts with V. Do not tick. Look at the tent. Starts with T. Tick it. Look at the vase. Starts with V. Do not tick. Look at the turtle. Starts with T. Tick it. Look at the snake. Starts with S. Do not tick. Wonderful work, students. See you next time.